Okay guys, so here we are test fitting the new face. All these fins on this one have some breakage on a few of them. They're not perfect, but it is a OEM assembly. So my face is fitting the OEM assembly. It's fitting the dash pretty well. The dashes do bow up in the middle right here. It should be sitting flat, but mine's bowing up just like it is over there and over there a little bit too. It's pretty common. I can redesign it to where the face will kind of curve up and meet that if that's what people want, but we'll get into that later. So I'm gonna pull this back out of the car. I'm gonna do some fancy stuff and see if we can come up with an OEM looking texture, get that leather grain look on here, because this is just me playing around. The carbon fiber weave texture is just playing around with the file. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna see if I can find one that matches that, and we're gonna see if we can print out a face with the leather texture on it.